Imagine you could live your dream life, where money is not an issue and you can follow your passion without being stuck in a boring job. Sounds amazing, right? Well, not if you learn how to earn passively. Passive income is the money you make without trading your time for it. And in this video, we're going to show you how you can achieve that by following the tips of a famous expert, Robert Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki is a successful entrepreneur, investor, and best-selling author of the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He believes that passive income is the secret to building wealth and financial freedom. He advises creating multiple sources of passive income instead of depending on your job for money. Now, let's see the top 5 suggestions for passive income investments in 2024. 1. Real estate. Investing in real estate is a smart way to make money, and I'm going to explain it to you in simple terms. Think of it as a way to earn money without working hard for it. It's like having a money tree that keeps giving you fruits over time. Robert Kiyosaki loves real estate because it's like having something tangible, like a house or a building, that you can see and touch. There are a few ways to invest in real estate, and I'll explain them to you. First, you can buy properties and rent them out to people, so you become their landlord and they pay you rent. This can be a good way to make money consistently. Robert Kiyosaki recommends this. Another way is to invest in something called real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are like special companies that own and operate real estate properties, such as apartments, offices, or shopping centers. When you invest in them, you become a part owner and they share the income they generate with you. You don't have to buy a whole property, just a share of it. A third way is to invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms, such as Fundrise. These are like online platforms that allow you to pool your money with other investors and invest in various real estate projects, such as new developments, renovations, or flips. You get a share of the profits when the projects are completed. These are some of the ways you can invest in real estate and make passive income. But remember, there are some risks involved. Just like with any investment, you may lose money if the property value goes down, the tenants don't pay, or the projects fail. So make sure to do your due diligence and be cautious before you invest your money. 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is a great way to earn some extra money by helping people who need loans but can't get them from banks. Instead of applying to a bank, these people go to online platforms where ordinary people, like you, can lend them money. When they repay you, you get some interest on top of your principal. These online platforms, such as Lending Club, act as intermediaries. They connect borrowers, the people who want money, with lenders, that's you, who want to make money by lending it. Now, here's why P2P lending is awesome. First, it can give you higher returns than keeping your money in a regular savings account or investing in bonds. That's because there are less fees and expenses involved, so you get to keep more of the interest. Second, you can diversify your money by lending to many different borrowers. This is like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By lending to many people, you reduce the risk of losing your money if one person defaults. Lastly, P2P lending also feels good because you're helping people who may not have access to loans otherwise. It's like a win-win situation. You make money and someone gets the help they need. But remember, there are some risks involved. Just like with any investment, you may not get all your money back if a borrower fails to pay, so make sure to do your research and be careful before you start lending your money. 3. Businesses. Businesses can be a fantastic way to make money without working all the time. If you do it right, the idea is to create a system that can run on its own without needing you to be there all the time. Imagine a business that doesn't need your constant attention. That's what we're aiming for. To do this, you need to start a business that can make money without you having to be there all the time. You can do this by selling things online, like ebooks or online courses. Once you've made these products, you can sell them over and over again without doing much extra work. Creating a YouTube channel is an excellent way to generate passive income. In fact, it's one of the most effective methods I've used to create substantial passive income and significantly enhance my quality of life. You also can leverage the power of YouTube to create value and earn a significant amount of money on any subject niche of your choice, even if you're camera shy and don't want to show your face. If you're genuinely interested in generating passive income on YouTube, I recommend you click the link below and learn from the best YouTube online course available. This way, you keep making money without constantly working. But what if you're not a business expert or don't have a lot of time or money to start a business from scratch? There's a solution for that too. You can invest in other people's businesses. When you invest in a business as a passive investor, you don't have to actively work in that business. Instead, you just put your money in, and if the business does well, you make money too. Take Robert Kiyosaki for example. He's a successful business person who makes money from his businesses without working in them all the time. Building a business that makes money without you working all the time isn't easy. It takes dedication and patience, but it's a great way to create a steady source of income that can support you for a long time. By creating a business that can grow, run efficiently, and work on its own, you can make money while having more free time to focus on other things you enjoy. 4. Intellectual property. If you have cool ideas, inventions, or creative stuff, you might want to think about protecting them legally. We call this protection intellectual property, or IP. IP includes things like patents for inventions, trademarks for logos and stuff, copyrights for books, music, and art, and trade secrets like secret recipes. Now, why does this matter? Well, if you own these things, you can make money without actively doing anything. Imagine you come up with a super cool game, patent it, and then companies pay you to use it. Easy money, right? Let's break it down. Imagine you create a game, patent it, and sell it in different languages. Every few months, you get a check without doing much. No big investment, just a smart move to protect your idea. The same goes for writing a book. You write a book, sell it to a publisher, and every month you get money from the sales. Simple, right? This is how IP can give you a steady income without always working. Here's the thing, you don't have to be a genius inventor or a famous writer. You can invest in other people's cool ideas. For example, if you put money into a book or a movie, you can earn money from it too. It's like getting a slice of the pie without doing all the hard work. So, in a nutshell, if you have great ideas or creative stuff, protect it legally, then let others use it and pay you for it. That way, you make money without breaking a sweat. 5. Annuities. Are you worried about running out of money during your retirement? Do you want a reliable source of income when you retire? If you do, then you might want to think about something called annuities. Let's break it down in a simple way. An annuity is like a deal between you and an insurance company. You pay some money now and in return, the insurance company promises to give you regular payments later on, like a paycheck in retirement. Now, annuities can be helpful because they can give you a steady income when you're not working anymore. Think of it as a reliable stream of money to support you during your retirement years. But here's the thing to keep in mind. Annuities come with some downsides too. One big problem is that the money they pay you might not increase with inflation. This means that as the cost of living goes up, the money you get from the annuity may not be enough to cover your expenses. There are different types of annuities. Some start paying you right away when you get the annuity. These are called immediate annuities. Others start later, like when you retire. These are called deferred annuities. There are also annuities that might give you a chance to earn more money, but they can be riskier because they depend on how well your investments do. These are called variable annuities. You can also choose how long you want to receive payments from the annuity. Some annuities pay you for a fixed period of time, like 10 or 20 years. These are called term certain annuities. Others pay you for as long as you live, no matter how long that is. These are called life annuities. So, in a nutshell, if you want a guaranteed source of income when you retire, you might want to consider annuities. But remember, there are some risks involved. Just like with any investment, you may lose money if the insurance company goes bankrupt, the annuity fees are too high, or the annuity payments are not enough to cover your needs. So make sure to do your research and be wise before you buy an annuity. Let's picture this in a simple way. Imagine you've accumulated a good amount of money for your retirement, but you're concerned that the stock market might fluctuate a lot and you don't want to risk running out of money. You can buy an annuity to ensure you'll have money regularly, almost like a paycheck. But like with any financial decision, you should be cautious. It's a good idea to talk to a financial advisor and really weigh the pros and cons of annuities before you decide to invest in one. Earning passively is a great way to supplement your regular income or secure a steady stream of revenue in retirement. It involves diversifying your portfolio with different cash-flowing assets. However, it's crucial to do thorough research, consult with financial advisors, and carefully consider the risks and benefits of each investment. With patience, diligence, and a sound financial strategy, you can create a steady flow of income that allows you to live the life you want without worrying about economic uncertainty. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. Have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.